So,
Alright,
it's another day, another press play,
oh, what are we doing?
and we're right here featuring Jay.
Do it.
Do it, do it, do it.
Yeah, man, we're going to Live Lounge right now. That place is kind of whack normally, but it's Thursday and it's late, so fuck it.
And it's free.
And we just want to like dance a little bit, do our shit.
Lounge
So
is free, so.
Wait, hold on. Somebody give me. What I've been wanting to say is
the 1%.
the 1%. No, what I've been wanting to say is that I wish I was 10 feet tall, so you could be standing and still lick my balls. That's all I wanted to say.
Oh, you're so
Peace.
prolific.
That's it.